Do you want your Toyota RAV4 to last well past 200,000 miles? It's not just about luck, but it's about following the right maintenance at the right time. Today, I'm breaking down the exact services Toyota recommends at the major service intervals of 30, 60, and 100,000 miles. This covers the RAV4 gas, prime, and hybrid models, and we'll go over where you can possibly save money by doing it yourself. Toyota builds the RAV4 to last, but skipping services or putting them off can cost you big in the long run. A well-maintained RAV4 keeps its fuel economy, rides smoother, and it holds a better value when it's time to sell. At 30,000 miles, here's what Toyota recommends. Oil and filter change, even if you're using synthetic, stick to the schedule. The engine air filter, it keeps airflow clean for performance and miles per gallon. Cabin air filter, it improves HVAC efficiency. Tire rotation and balance extends the tire life. A brake inspection, including the pads, rotors, and fluid check. The fluid check is your transmission coolant, windshield washer fluid, and at the dealer, expect $250 to $400 for this visit. Do-it-yourself basics like oil, filters, and tire rotation can cut the cost in half. Check out our video here on YouTube that shows you how to change your own oil. At 60,000 miles, it's time for everything from the 30,000 service, plus a transmission fluid inspection, ensure there's no leaks and the ATF level is where it ought to be. Remember, you ought to check this fluid when the car is warmed up and running. A coolant change. This keeps your engine from overheating. Comprehensive brake service, pads, rotors, and a brake fluid flush if needed. Suspension inspection. Bushings, shocks, struts. Hybrids and primes should also have their hybrid system cooling inspected at this mileage. And at the 100,000 miles, your RAV4 has earned some extra TLC. All services from earlier intervals, plus a spark plug replacement. For gas, hybrid, and prime, this is crucial for performance. A battery check. For hybrids and primes, check both the 12-volt and hybrid battery systems. A water pump inspection. You want to be sure to catch those leaks early. A drive belt replacement. This can prevent breakdowns before they happen. A transmission and rear diff fluid. This is for all-wheel drive models. Now is a great time to change these oils, especially if you tow with your RAV4 even infrequently. Now this is a bigger service. Budget $500 to $800 at the dealer, but you can still do it yourself with many parts depending on your skill level at working on your own vehicles. Items like the spark plug may be easy enough, but some may find the drive belt replacement a bit more advanced. Another consideration is the time it takes to go through all of these items if you do it yourself, as it could take a few days of do-it-yourself efforts. While there are service recommendations every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, these are the first 3 major milestones you'll hit with your RAV4, and the remaining are just essentially a repeat of these same steps. If you look in your service manual, you'll notice that there's other items to inspect and exceptions to what we've listed if you live in certain climates or tow things with your RAV4. If that's the case, make sure you check out your owner's manual in detail so you don't miss out on anything important. Now here are some pro tips and cost-saving ideas to help your Toyota last as long as possible. Bundle your service save on labor costs. Stick to Toyota OEM parts for reliability and use Eco Mode to extend life on certain components like brakes. Keep a log of all work done. This is great for resale value to show it's been well maintained. By sticking to Toyota's maintenance schedule, you're setting your RAV4 up for hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable driving. In the description box below, I've linked to our detailed blog post for all recommended maintenance throughout every interval imaginable. Found this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more RAV4 tips and join our free RAV4 owners newsletter at rav4resource.com. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.